Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best electric heaters for home. Number 1. Dreo Space Heater. Experience powerful and efficient heating like never before with this advanced 30-inch ceramic heater, designed to deliver instant warmth across spaces up to 300 square feet. Equipped with a large PTC element and an upgraded hyperamics thermal design, it ensures rapid and widespread heat distribution. Customizable oscillation angles of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees allow you to direct the warmth exactly where you need it most. For consistent performance, a stable voltage environment is recommended. Your safety is our top priority. This heater comes with 8 comprehensive protections, including V0 flame retardant materials, cool touch housing, thermal insulated wiring, and advanced features like a child lock, 45 degrees tip over protection, and overheat prevention. These features are ETL certified for your peace of mind. Tailor your heating experience with 9 comfort levels, including 5 heat settings, eco mode for energy efficiency, and 3 fan levels for improved air circulation. Using advanced controllable silicon technology, it ensures precise temperature control, delivering up to 50% energy savings while keeping you comfortable all day. Enjoy a tranquil environment with ultra-quiet operation as low as 25 dB, perfect for a restful night's sleep or a focused workspace. Warmth meets innovation, safety, and serenity. Number 2. SOTHING Electric Heaters. Elevate your space. The SOTHING Star Space Heater adds a touch of style with its sleek design and calming ambient light, transforming the atmosphere of any room while providing comfortable warmth. Voice control. Easily control this electric heaters for indoor use hands-free with voice commands for a smarter, more convenient experience. Heat larger areas effortlessly. The Star heaters for indoor use effectively warm spaces up to 500 square feet with its innovative double air duct convection and cross-flow wind technology, delivering powerful and consistent heat. This electric heater is also a perfect heater for office. Balanced humidity control, featuring a built-in humidifier with a 1.3 L water tank and 6 mist levels, the Star heater with humidifier ensures a non-drying, comfortable environment for hours. Automatic water shortage prevention guarantees hassle-free operation. Custom temperature settings. The SOTHING heater humidifier combo can achieve your desired warmth with adjustable temperature controls ranging from 70-95 degrees Fahrenheit, paired with intelligent constant temperature technology to keep your space just right. Whisper quiet and discreet. Enjoy undisturbed rest with this space heater's radiation-free, no-light design and ultra-quiet operation. The adjustable timer, 12 hours, makes it perfect for bedrooms or any quiet space. Safety first. Built with safety in mind, this electric heaters for indoor use features automatic shutoff if tilted, a flame-retardant ABS shell, and overheat protection for complete peace of mind. Powerful and efficient heating. Equipped with dual-core PTC ceramic heating, the Star ceramic heater offers a rapid warm-up with 98% thermal energy conversion and 1500 W output, efficiently heating your space without delay. Energy-efficient performance. With its high heating efficiency, the Star room heater keeps you warm while helping to reduce energy costs, making it both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Easy to use, the SOTHING Star Space Heater is designed for simplicity, with intuitive controls and a compact form that makes setup and operation a breeze. Number 3. Dreo Radiator Heater. Bring warmth and comfort to every corner of your home with this advanced oil-filled radiator heater. Designed with 8 M-shaped fins, it boasts a 59.5% larger heat dissipation area, ensuring wide and even heat distribution while keeping the surface temperature safe to the touch. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, or any other space, it delivers consistent and soothing warmth without the risk of scalding. Experience rapid and efficient heating with 1500 W of full power performance. This heater provides quick and even warmth distribution, maintaining stable heat levels without tripping or overheating. Perfect for large rooms, it ensures you stay cozy and comfortable in any season. Safety is a priority with features like tip-over protection, triple overheat safeguards, V0 flame retardant materials, and an ETL-certified safety plug, offering peace of mind for you and your family. Tailor your comfort with 3 heating modes, 600W, 900W, and 1500W, along with a smart eco mode that adapts to room temperatures. Adjust warmth precisely in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The integrated thermal sensor and dynamic compensation algorithm ensure accurate temperature control, while the ambient temperature indicator provides effortless monitoring. Stay warm, safe, and energy efficient. Number 4. ULTTY Portable Electric. Stay comfortable in any season with this innovative bladeless tower fan and space heater. Designed with a powerful 1400-watt brushless DC motor, it delivers instant warmth, reaching 70 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. An 80 degrees wide-angle oscillation ensures even heat distribution across your space, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, basements, or garages. With 3 modes, low heat, high heat, and fan only, it seamlessly adapts to your needs year-round. Experience a natural, use the touch panel or remote control for effortless operation from anywhere in the room. Its bladeless design ensures safety for families with children and pets, while its easy-to-clean surface adds to its convenience. Enjoy quiet comfort with an operating noise as low as 25-35 dB, ideal for undisturbed sleep or focused work. A built-in timer allows you to set operation between 1 and 8 hours, while 6 adjustable LED lights create a soothing ambience. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection provide peace of mind, and its fully assembled design ensures immediate use. A reliable choice for year-round comfort and safety. Number 5. SUNGDOGIN Electric Heaters. Transform your space with this versatile 1500W ceramic space heater, delivering rapid warmth in just 2 seconds. Designed for efficiency, it quickly heats up any room, making it perfect for offices, bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, or any indoor space where you want to stay cozy and productive. This heater goes beyond warming the air with its integrated 200 ml humidifier, ensuring a comfortable environment without the dryness that can accompany traditional heating. The humidifier pairs seamlessly with ambient lighting, creating a soothing visual effect while maintaining optimal humidity levels, a thoughtful design for enhanced comfort and well-being. Compact yet powerful, this heater features a sleek, modern design with a hidden handle and 4 wheels for easy portability, allowing it to fit effortlessly into any decor or space. Its safety features include V0 flame retardant materials, overheat and tip-over protection, and an ETL-certified safety plug, ensuring peace of mind during use. With 3 heating modes, 1500W high, 750W low, and eco mode, it offers customizable warmth. The intelligent thermostat allows precise adjustments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments, providing energy-efficient comfort tailored to your needs. Reliable, stylish, and user-friendly, it's the ideal solution for year-round warmth and comfort. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.